Hoping for a 17% growth in taxes revenues, Finance Minister Arun Jaitley on Wednesday presented the Union Budget 2017-18, offering more money for welfare schemes, minor tax swaps for individuals and small firms, with a fiscal deficit of 3.2% of GDP. In his fourth budget as Finance Minister presented in the Lok Sabha, Jaitley also made some far-reaching changes in political funding, placing a cap of Rs 2,000 on the donation which any party can receive from one source in cash. The budget, which pegs the total expenditure for 2017-18 at Rs 21.47 lakh crore, with a 25.4% jump in capital side outlay, continued with government's focus on curbing black money by limiting cash transactions to less than Rs 3 lakh. In his 110-minute budget presentation, Jaitley also assured a law to confiscate the assets of fugitive economic offenders. On demonetization, he said it will have substantial long-term benefits and spur growth, and added that the current pace of demonetization, the impact will not spill over to the next year. Apart from the SOPs and substantial increase in allocation on affordable housing, job guarantee scheme, agriculture sector and the rural economy in general, Jaitley also sought to hike the defence budget for the next fiscal by 10% to Rs 2.74 lakh crore. The total allocation for the rural, agriculture and allied sectors has been hiked by 24% to Rs 1,87,223 crore. An infrastructure status has been accorded to affordable housing so that it can avail of the associated benefits such as low-cost project loans. The latest exercise was the first time the date of presentation was advanced by nearly a month, even as it co-opted the railway budget into it, abandoning the practice that was started in 1924. The allocation for railways was hiked by 20%. For individual taxpayers, the tax rate for the slab between Rs 2.5 lakh and Rs 5 lakh has been cut to 5% from 10%, while a 10% surcharge has been kept for those with annual income of between Rs 50 lakh and Rs 1 crore. For those with higher income, the 15% surcharge remains. As regards small and medium enterprises, those with a turnover of less than Rs 50 crore will have to pay a tax of 25% against 30%. The tax rates for larger corporates have been left largely untouched. The finance minister also didn't tinker much with indirect taxes, though items like cashew nuts, cigarettes, BDs, pan masala and even mobile phones could become dearer. IANS report.